Hey gamers, how y'all doing? Welcome back to App Guide, and today I'm going to show you how you can change a password to your Genshin Impact account. If you're having trouble figuring out how you can change a password to your Genshin account, follow the steps in the video. It's a very simple process, you'll do it in no time. The first thing you have to do is open your browser, search Genshin, go to the first link, tap on the official site button. Make sure you're logged in. If you're not, log in with your account. Then tap on the account. Go to the accounts. Here you'll need to log in again. Put in your username or email and your password. Tap on the login button. You need to verify. Once you have done that, you'll land on their account management page. There, go to account security settings on the left. Scroll down. Here, you'll see an option to change password. Tap on the switch button. Then, you'll have to verify your email. They will send an email verification code. Put that code in. To do that, tap the send code button. Once you put the code, tap the next button. Here, you can enter a new password, create a new password for yourself. Confirm the password, then hit the confirm button. That's it, you've changed the password. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with new information. Goodbye.